ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐ उन्
ऐ उन्
ऋलक्
ऋलिक्
ए ओङ्
ए ओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङटम्
ञमङणनम्
जघै
जघै
गढधश्
गधधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफचठथचटतौ
हठठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
यशसल्
सशसल् हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋतुरशानां ऊर्ध्वा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
वितुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमहननानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतो गो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तो गो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
स्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
मनः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
बृहता निशाचरचमोः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामन्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राममुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः।
न प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
त्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे राम त्वमेवाश्रयः।
मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
सिंह पूर्व रूप संधि Sandhi kaha. What is a sandhi?
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Close,
No. What is sandhi?
close proximity of it.
Close proximity.
Varnanam samipyam sandhi. Atyanta samipyam. Varnanam atyanta samipyam sandhi. When two letters are in close proximity, it's called sandhi. Sandhi karyamapi sandhihi iti namna jnayate. Because of the proximity, there will be some changes happening. That is also called sandhi. So we are saying sandhi karya. It is also called sandhi. Technically, samhita. It is called samhita. Okay. In that we have seen savana dirgha, yan sandhi, guna sandhi, vriddhi sandhi, ayadi sandhi, and special but lopa sandhi. Then purva. These are the important sandhis to start with. The accent, then hal sandhi, other things will follow. So for all this is a basic. Without sandhi, you cannot split and read any shloka, any passages. So sandhi jnanam is very important. Sandhi jnanam also has a prerequisite of some knowledge of the language. That is why language also we practice. Without language, sandhi it's not possible. What is the word? What is the kriya padam or a nama padam? What prakti? What vachanam? Some knowledge is required. That is why parallelly we practice it also. Anyway, now let us start this. I introduced the last class, Purva Rupa Sandhi. The name itself suggests what Sandhi is. Purvaha Rupaha. Purva Rupaha eva Adesha Rupena Vartate. Stani. Stani is a place. Yasmin Stane Adesha Bhavati Tadeva Stani. Yasmin Stane Adesha Bhavati Tasya Nama Stani. Placeholder. Yaha वर्णः अथवा शब्दः आदेशरूपेण वर्तते. शत्रुवत् सः आदेशः. That is called adesha. So stani adesha. Now here stani could be either the last letter prathama padasya prathama shabdasya antima varnaha अथवा uttara shabdasya prathama varnaha or prayogo sthane in the place of both. All these are possible. So here puru, all the sandhis what we are seeing, not all the sandhis, because yan sandhi is different. Yan sandhi is ikahasthane eva yan adeshaha. Only in the place of ik alone yan is not in the place of both. Savana dirgha sandhi in the place of both. Purva parayogo sthane. Guna sandhi api purva parayogo sthane. Vriddhi api purva parayogo sthane. Ayadi sandhi is different. Ayadi sandhi is echah sthane, like ikah sthane. Only the last letter of the first word. And the lopa is that yakara lopa bhavati. Okay, that is different. Because after the ayadi sandhi, yakara comes, yakara vakara. Okay, just yakara, yakara vakara at the end of the padam, preceded by avarna. So when I say all this, I think, okay, you should be able to recollect a lot of examples, everything we have seen. Here it is Purva Rupa Sandhi is Purvaha Adeshaha Purva Parayoga Sthane. In the place of both, the place of the preceding as well as succeeding. Preceding meaning the last letter of the first word, succeeding meaning the first letter of the following word. Both will be replaced by the Purva Rupa, the form of the preceding. That's why it's called Purva Rupa Sandhi. But here there is a condition. What is the condition? Purva must be a padam. If Purva is a padam, Uttara also must be a padam. Padam is a fully formed word, refined word. Fully refined word means the word which is formed by the addition of pratyas, sup or thing. That is called a padam. Fully defined, formed, complete. It's a complete. The word is complete. After padam, nothing, no job to be done. That's called padam. That's called padam. In fact, Vedanta also Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam. After Padam, after Jnanam, what is there to be done? So similarly here also, after Padam, what Karyam is there? If at all Karyam to be done, if at all something else to be done, that is only Pada Karya. Pada related, like Sandhi or Samasa, or if you want to express to the Tadita, those are different. So Pada is once it becomes a Padam, then it is fit for usage in the language. So Purvam is a Padam. What about the Uttaram? Uttaram also must be a Padam. Logic, right? Simple. And Purva Padam ending with Yang letter. What is Yang? This Pratyahara, Nageshwara Sutra, and this Shiksha Sutram, these we chant every class, not for just for chanting and forgetting. It is to remember. All the time we have to remember, that's why we chant. You have to remember what is it. When he asks Sthani, able to tell what is Sthani, what is the Ucharana Sthanam. All this you should be able to remember. So Yang is the Pratyahara, grouping of the letters. In the Yang Pratyahara, how many letters are there? Ekara and Okara. Both happen to be the Guna letters, of course, A and O. When followed by the short vowel, that is also a Guna letter only. Anyway, so among the Guna letters, Ekara, Okara are the letters of the first Padam, followed by a Padam beginning with Akara, only short vowel. That's why I said Guna. Then, if it means A plus A or O plus A, then both are replaced by, in the case, both are replaced by, the first one, both are replaced by A plus I is equal to A. The second one, O plus I is also equal to O. Both are replaced by the Purva Rupam. Is it clear? Understand?
Yes.
This is what Purva Rupa Sandhi is. A plus I is equal to A. O plus I is equal to O. Purva Rupa Sandhi. But when we say Purva Rupa Sandhi, you have to understand A plus A will not Ayadi Sandhi happen. That is what we saw, Ayadi Sandhi. A plus A, H letter followed by vowel, what will happen? Ayadi Sandhi.
Yes.
Here, Yang is H or not? Yang is H or not?
Yes, H letter.
No.
It is no.
Yes.
Why it is no?
Yes, it is.
H is A-O,
A-O-I-O.
I-O, A-O, I-O. So, Yang is a part of H letter.
H. Yes.
But here, Purva Rupa will happen, not Ayadi Sandhi. Therefore, this is an exception to Ayadi Sandhi. When Ayadi Sandhi is also applicable and Purva Rupa Sandhi also is applicable, then Purva Rupa Sandhi will take precedence.
Okay.
Purva Rupa, this Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi should not be applied. If you apply Ayadi Sandhi, then Purva Rupa Sandhi will never find scope for application. That is why the Sambandha, the relation between Ayadi Sandhi and Purva Rupa Sandhi is Utsarga Apavada Sambandha. What Sambandha? Utsarga Apavada Sambandha. But when there is Sambandha is Utsarga Apavada, Apavada takes precedence. Follow, understand? Guruji,
Can you
clear?
repeat, Guruji?
Yes, Guruji.
Which one to repeat?
This last sentence you said.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Hmm.
What is Ayadi Sandhi? You tell me.
That is when H is followed by H.
H is followed by H. Now here what we are seeing in Pururupa.
Aong means A or O is followed by short vowel. Oh, that is akara.
Okay. In the H pratyahara, Aing is included or not?
Yes. It is.
In the Ayadi Sandhi, H letter followed by the vowel, any vowel. Here,
Yes.
Aing followed by the
Only akara.
Only
Yes.
Is it not this Pururupa Sandhi is also included in the Ayadi Sandhi?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Because Aing is a part of H
H.
and followed by the vowel, and for the following year, the following vowel is short vowel. That is also included.
Yes.
So it means Ayadi Sandhi also applicable, right? Then Yang followed by A. Will you apply Ayadi or not? In fact, we
Yes.
have applied like that. You
Yes.
see the examples.
Yes.
And if you see the examples, we would have applied where it is not a Padam. Here the condition is Padam.
Oh, right. Right. Okay.
Ekara, Okara at the end of a Padam, not the Shabda. Padam.
Shabda. Right.
Followed by the Padam, beginning with Akara. So, even though this Pururupa possibility is covered in the H Sandhi also, but there is a condition Padam. If it is a Padam, then it is not applicable. What is not applicable? Ayadi Sandhi should not.
Ayadi Sandhi is not applicable.
That is why I said Ayadi Sandhi is, with regard to Ayadi Sandhi, the Pururupa Sandhi is Apavada, exception.
Oh.
See, you have to understand this exception. The whole
Yes.
system operates by Utsarga Apavada, this exception. My teacher gives this example. Let all the students be given one apple. Let the person wearing white and white be given an orange. What is that?
That is exception.
Let Brahmachari and Brahmacharinis be given apple. It means what? Exception. All the students get apple and they will get orange. This white and white will get orange. White and white will get apple.
Right. So that is
Will the
exception because they are
Brahmachari
brahmachari.
and Brahmacharis will get apple? No, they will get orange.
Right.
They cannot get both. All the students will get one apple, but the Brahmacharis and Brahmacharis will get orange. It means Apavada. They will not get apple, they will get orange only. Right?
Yes.
That is what it is.
Yes, got it.
What is Utsarga? Utsarga is everybody should get an apple. But exception is Apavada is negation. This Utsarga Apavada is there in Vyavahara also, in our Vyavahara also. Right?
Right.
Those who have already booked the ticket, let them board the train or the vehicle. The tickets which are confirmed. I mean, all of you board the train or board the vehicle, then they say, those who are on waiting list, stay outside. It means what? The tickets are not confirmed, exception. They have to wait outside. They have to wait outside till the tickets are confirmed. It's all there in Vyavahara also. We use it. It's not something new, right?
Yes, yes.
You say in all the foods, salt should be added. But you don't add in a sweet. That is under exception.
Exception, yes.
We say there's a proverb in Tamil, I don't know, but maybe in Hindi also. Without salt, anything if you eat, it is to be thrown into the, it should be thrown into the dustbin. Food without salt. It doesn't mean you should add salt also to the sweet, right?
Yes.
It's understood.
Yes, yes.
Therefore, it is the Vyavahara, it is, we know this.
Yes.
Similarly here also, it is understood.
Yes, yes.
So when Ayadi Sandhi is applicable, it's Ayadi Sandhi is Utsarga, general rule. And that is overruled by the following rule, Purvarupa Sandhi. That Purvarupa Sandhi is Apavada, exception. Always exception overrules the general rule.
Okay.
Even in the law also, law system also, there is always an exception. If a crime is committed by, see, anybody committing crime will get punishment. No, that is common. But if the crime is committed not intentionally, that's not a motivated one. Exception. For self-defense you are doing. So that is an exception.
Yes.
The punishment will not be as much severe as it is given to the one who commits a crime with the motive, deliberately. Same thing here. The exception. That's called exception. Apavada.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
So this you have to remember. So when this is applicable, don't apply Ayadi Sandhi. Now you go back and see the Ayadi Sandhi. After the class, you go and see the Ayadi Sandhi's example. There you will not find the words, the combination of the words where this Purupa Sandhi is applicable. There you will see the words which are not Padam. If it is Padam, you cannot apply that. You cannot apply Ayadi Sandhi. You would have applied Purupa Sandhi. Important. We understood. Okay. This much now. Example. I think last class I introduced Ime Avastitaha. Taive Avastitaha. Dartara. In Gita it is the first chapter. Ime Avastitaha. Ayam Imau. Ime. That is Ime. Ime Avastitaha. 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 Avastitau. Avastitaha. The Shabda. Like Rama Shabda. Ime Avastitaha. So both are Bhagavachana. And Ime is a Padam. Ayam, Imau, Ime. What is the Pradipadikam?
Yes. Idam.
Idam Shabda. What Linga is that?
Pullinga.
It's a Pullinga also and
No, also not. It's only Pullinga here. Because
Idam.
it is Kartama Vibhakti Bhagavachana.
Bahuvachana. Yes.
If it is Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, then it cannot be Avastitaha. It has to be Avastite or yes, Avastite only. Avastite. Here Avastitaha also Bhagavachanam, therefore it is Pullinga. Ime is a padam ending with the letter A, which is a yang letter, followed by a padam which is beginning with akara. So therefore, A plus A, there is a proximity, varnanam samipyam, atyanta samipyam, varnanam sannikarshaha, tadeva sandhihi, sanhita. Ataha A plus A, Ayadi Sandhi is applicable or not? It's applicable generally, but since Purvarupa Sandhi tells you Padanta, if it is Padanta yang followed by a Padam beginning with Akara, Purvarupa Sandhi will apply. Therefore, Ayadi Sandhi is knocked off. Purvarupa Sandhi will apply, which says Purva Rupasya Adeshaha Bhavati Purva Pariyogo Sthane. In the place of both the preceding as well as succeeding, Purva will be the Adesha. Therefore, A plus A will be is equal to A only. Both are replaced by the Purva Padam, Purva Rupam, which is A. So therefore, Ime Vastita. What happened to Akara? Akara is swallowed in the Sandhi. To show that it has gone, it is given, it is mentioned like this. It's called Avagraha. Avagraha. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guru.
Again, I say this is important. All these are basics. That's why I spend so much time. This is a basic thing. Apavada Utsarga. Utsarga always takes precedence.
Yes.
This is the common sense. This is nothing. In Vyavahara, we do the same thing here also. Always exception takes precedence. Rules are common. Rules are common. Everybody has to obey the traffic rules, right? If you violate
Yes.
traffic rules, you will be fined. Penalty will be there. What about for the ambulance?
No traffic rule.
Exception overrules general. The same thing here. Exception overrules the general. You cannot apply the traffic rules, generally applicable traffic rules to the ambulance. Exception. In fact, even if ambulance does any damage or accident while going, that is not really considered as a serious accident. I mean, no fine or no penalty will be applied for the driver. Is it? Anybody crossing ambulance, they will be punished. They are supposed to give path for the vehicle.
Yes.
The totally opposite. It's similarly here also. Next example, te plus aham. Te is padam.
Padam.
Sagataute, tatte, tani, sa, te, taha, padam.
Yes.
Aham is aham, avam, vayam. So te plus aham. Padanta ye. Ye is the yang letter. Followed by a. So a plus a is equal to a only. So te plus aham, teham.
Teham.
Avagaraha is. Similarly, other examples. Somritatva ekalpate. In Gita it is yam hi navavyatayantyete purusham purusharshava. I think the 15th shloka of the Gita. Samadukka sukham dhiram. Second chapter. So mritatva ekalpate. So what is so? Is there any so? So you don't know. We have not seen. But it is saha. Saha. So when sandhi has happened, that sandhi we don't know. It's okay. We cannot know it now. We have to hold it for some time. I'm not sure whether I will be teaching that because that requires you have to make yourself ready for that. Sarga sandhi. You will see that anyway later. So is nothing but the rupam of the form of saha only. That is one more sandhi has already happened. After sandhi, so is that. So is nothing but saha. Saha is a padam or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Sakatavate. Then so is also a padam. If you don't know, you have to mark it. So is saha. So is nothing but the form of saha. Of it, saha becomes so, you cannot ask now because sandhi. So you can note this. That is, I'll give a clue how to know this. Those who don't know Visarga Sandhi for them. Those who know Visarga Sandhi for them, no problem. The Sandhi is nothing simple. See, when a word ending with O, you can take that to be a padam. Without Visarga, okay. Yes, so, nasato, abhavo, anashino, all these are padam only. Or I would say like this. So is nothing but saha, padam. Nasato is nothing but nasataha, padam. Abhavo, abhavaha. Anashino, anashinaha. All these are padam only. Abhavaha pratama vibhakti. Like Rama Shabda, Ramaha. That's why Ramo, Rajamani Sada Vijayate. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. What is Ramo? Is there any word Ramo?
Ramaha.
Ramo is Ramaha. How Ramaha become Ramo? Sandhi has happened. What Sandhi we don't know. Don't worry about it. Ramo is equal to Ramaha.
Okay.
Rame is Rame. Don't confuse the Ramo and Rame. Both are different. Rame is A. Ramo is O. Ramo is Ramaha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. Rame is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavajanam. Both are different.
Yes.
Suppose if it is with Visarga, it is then it is different. But with the Visarga, there is no such word. Don't worry about that. With the O, there is no. With the A, there may be word. Yes, with the A, there is word. Are he, Hari Shabda. Are he, Aryoho, Harina. Is that right?
Yes.
At least with the A, with the A and followed by Visarga, the word, the Subshashti Bhakti like Arishabda, etc. is there. But for O, it is, I don't think so. Oh, it is there. Guroho is there. Okay. Yeah, it is there. Guroho. If A is there. Anyway, Guroho is there. With O and Visarga. See, that you can, yes, Guroho is there. So you cannot say, generally you cannot say. That you can, no, if Visarga is there, O and Visarga, then you understand that is a, anyway, Visarga is a Padam. So there is no problem in that. See, if it is Guroho, Guru is O and Visarga is there. So, you know, it's a Padam. Visarga is a Padam. So there is no question about it. Similarly, Are is there, Arehe with Visarga. It's a Padam. There is no question about that. There, these sandhis are not going to apply. There, this sandhi, what sandhi? The Savana Dirga, sandhi, the Ach sandhi is not going to apply. Arehe plus something is going to follow. Some other sandhi is going to apply. So we are not discussing that. So don't worry about that. If it is O, I am talking about. If it is O and we are applying this sandhi, Ach sandhi, then you can understand that O ending words are nothing but Padam. Only that much I say. Please note it.
Yes.
That is, with regard to Ach sandhi, we are seeing only Ach sandhi now. So when we deal with such words where it ends with O, you can understand it is a Padam.
Yes.
Without no Visarga. So that is important. Okay. If Visarga is there, then it is different sandhi. Anyway, that sandhi is not, you're not interested now. You cannot do, suppose, I'm just saying, Guroho plus Amritatvaya. You cannot apply. You cannot apply Purvarupa sandhi. Why?
Yes.
Guroho,
Guroho is Padam.
Visarga is followed by Amritatvaya.
Amrit.
Visarga plus Amrit. It is not O plus A, right? That is Visarga sandhi. That is completely different sandhi. That we are not saying. Only when verbals, two verbals come into contact, that is only we are discussing about. So, and Visarga is not here. So is there. Nasato abhavo. Therefore, understand this is a Padam. I want to say only that much. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
So is a Padam. If you ask how it is a Padam, you can go just one step back. It is Saha. Similarly, Nasato is Nasataha.
Nasataha.
Abhavo is Abhavaha.
Abhavaha.
Anashino Abhava.
Anashino.
Anashinaha. Achedyo Achedyaha.
Achedyaha.
Adagyo Adagyaha.
Adagyaha.
Akledyo Akledyaha. Avyakto Avyaktaha. Achintyo
Achintyaha.
Achintyaha. All these words are ending with a yang letter. That is here example Okara. So one sandhi, Visarga sandhi already happened. After this, Pururupa sandhi is going to apply. So that is what we are saying. Okay. Now so plus Amritatvaya. It means O plus A. This is a Padam. Because how is a Padam? Because you know it is Saha.
Saha.
That's why I said Saha. To understand, to know that the Padam, you can just go one step back and see the word with the Visarga. Saha. Saha only has become so. If Saha is a Padam, so is not a Padam.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
It is a Padam. So therefore, Padanta, Okara. Okara is a yang letter, followed by a Padam beginning Akara.
Okara.
So Pururupa sandhi will apply. Ayadi sandhi is knocked off and Pururupa sandhi will apply.
Yes.
O plus A is O. Therefore, so mritatvaya.
So.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Similarly, Nasato plus Avidyate. O plus A will be replaced by O. Nasato Vidyate.
Vidyate.
We say Nasato Vidyate. Akara is elided. That is shown by Avagraha. Abhavo Avidyate. Abhavo Vidyate. Anashino Aprameyasya. Anashino Prameyasya. O plus A. All these are from Gita.
Yes.
Nasato Vidyate Bhavaha. Nabhavo Vidyate Sataha. Anashino Prameyasya. Gita. Achedyoyam adagyoyam akledyo shoshyeva. So achedyo plus ayam. Achedyoyam adagyoyam. All O plus A. Akledyo plus ashoshyah.
Shoshyaha.
Akledyo shoshyah. Avyakto plus achintyah. Avyakto chintyah.
Chintyaha.
Achintyo plus ayam. O plus A. Achintyoyam. Avikaryo plus ayam. Avikaryoyam. Apariharye. Apariharye plus arte. This is A, ending with A, followed by A. So A plus A. Pururupasam. Apariharyerte. Apariharyerte. Okay, here A in Artha is elided. Avadhyo plus ayam. Avadhyoyam. Sheyo plus anyat. Sheyonyat.
Sheyonyat.
Te. Te is sagatau te. A plus avyayam.
Avyayam.
Te vyayam. Te plus abhigita. Te vigita.
Hila.
Esha te vigita sankye. Avikramanasho plus asti. Avikramanashosti.
Shosti.
Buddhayo vyavasayinam. Avyavasayinam. Then Buddhayo vyavasayinam.
Vyavasayina.
So when I give these word and ask you to split, you have to split Buddhayo avyasayinam. Simple.
Avyavasayina.
Avikramanasho plus asti.
Asti.
Te plus abhigita.
Abhihita.
Raso plus apyasya.
Sopyasya.
Rasopyasya. Karmano plus anyatra. Karmanon yatra.
Karmanonyatra.
Shraddhavanto nasuyantaha.
Suyantaha.
Shraddhavanto.
Shraddhavanto nasuyantaha. Bhakto plus asi. Bhaktosi.
Bhaktosi.
Ajopi. Ajo plus api.
Ajopi.
Ajopi. Yo plus abhijanati.
Yogi janati.
Yo bhijanati. Kavayo plus api. Kavayopi.
Kavayopi.
Abhipravritto plus api. Abhipravrittopi.
Pravrittopi.
Loko plus asti. Lokosti. Yogo plus anirvinna chetasa. Yogo nirvinna chetasa. Yo plus ayam. Yo yam. Shakyo plus abhaptum. Shakyo vaptum.
Vaptum.
Raso plus apsu. Rasopsu.
Rasopsu.
I myself read all this. Simple.
Yes.
Now sandhi vichedam karaniyam. Please do each one of you.
Guruji,
Yes.
one question. So if it is that if I get resopsu, then when I start to split, I will not think about this Purva Rupa. Just will think like Ramaha plus Apsu, right?
That is
So should
Ramaha.
we
Rasaha.
Rasaha? Sorry, Rasaha. So
Yeah. But you are joining here, right? Splitting. Okay. From here you're asking.
for splitting, I'm asking. So if that word is given to split,
You have to do
directly we
first.
will go like.
Directly we don't go there.
Raso
Okay.
plus
We
apsu.
do Raso plus Apsu. After that only Rasaha plus Apsu. Directly you cannot do it. First you have to do Raso plus Apsu. Then Raso is nothing but Rasaha. Rasaha plus Apsu only has become Raso.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That is what
So
we
both
do.
ways we are. Okay.
No, that is the step. The immediate step would be of splitting would be Raso plus Apsu. Because when you do Sandhi, the last Sandhi is Pururpa Sandhi. When you split, that has to be first.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
please do it.
Got it.
Which one of you? Repeat.
Mudho ayam. So mudho plus ayam.
Okay.
Loko ayam. Loko plus ayam. Kale api. Kale plus api.
Kale apina. Kale pi. You have to read it as Kale pi. After splitting only Kale plus api.
Gneyosi. Gneyo plus asi.
Not gne, it is ye. Ye.
Ye,
Ye.
ye yosi. Yeo plus asi. Yagno, yagnotra. Yagno plus atra.
Deepika,
Te-
you can read.
Yes, Guruji. Te ho. Te plus aho. Anyo vyakta. Anyo vyakta. Anyo plus avyakta. Bhavonyaha. Bhavo plus anyaha. Avyakto vyaktat. Avyakto avyaktat. Avyakto ksharam. Avyakto aksharam. Mantroham. Mantro plus aham.
Anupama, you can read.
ये पी ये प्लस अपि ते पी ते प्लस अपि समोहम समो प्लस अहम भावो भावः भावो प्लस अभावः सोवि सोविकम्पेन सो प्लस अविकम्पेन
Can read.
इन्द्रोहम इन्द्रो प्लस अहम जयोस्मि जयो प्लस अस्मि देवोस्मि देवो प्लस अस्मि अन्तोस्ति अंतो प्लस अस्ति विश्वेश्विनौ विश्वे प्लस अश्विनौ.
Deepika.
Yes. Namo. Parul.
Okay. Namo astu. Namo plus astu. Kale asmi.
Kale, kalo.
Kalo, sorry. Kalo asmi. Kalo plus asmi. Grute pi. Rute plus api. Yajna vastitaha.
Yajna, where is yajna? Ye vastitaha.
Ye vastitaha. Ye plus avastita. Eko plus ath. Samo asti. Samo plus asti. Then losho adhikatarah.
Not low. Read that word again.
Kalesho. It is kalesho. Sorry. Kalesho.
Where is palesho? Where is pakara?
Klesho. Sorry. Klesho adhikarah. Klesho plus
Adhikataraha, not adiktaraha.
adhikatarah.
Klesho dikataras tesha. Comes in the Gita.
Klesho plus adhikatarah.
Yes.
Astoko
Ashtoko.
asi.
No. Read properly. Don't jump the letters. A, sha, to, si.
Ko
Yes, it's supplying word letters which are not there.
Astak.
Astak.
Astako.
Where is ko? Takara is there. Where is takara? Takara plus o.
Asto asi.
Ashto asi. It is shakara. Is it shakara?
Sure, no?
Then you are not saying sha. You are saying sha.
Sure.
You are saying shakara only. You are not saying sha. A is there. This is a. This is sha. This is to. To, not to also. To. Then si.
To
How do you read
asi.
this?
Ashto asi. Plus
Ashto asi. Is it ash? Is it shakara?
it is shakara, no, sir?
I don't know. You have to tell me. Is it shakara? Is it a consonant? Only consonant, no vowel, huh? Is there no vowel?
It akara is there, no?
Where akara is there?
Ash. Sure, no, it's not. Akara is not there.
Akara not there. Really, huh?
No.
First you have to read, learn to read. Reading practice
No.
you have to do.
Ash.
It is not. See, you know Hindi, so it should be an advantage to you. It should not be disadvantage. But for you, it is bringing Hindi and cutting the vowel there. Sha is there. This is sha, not shakara. This is sha. And this is sha. How do you say? Ash. It becomes ash. Come on, you
Yes.
cannot say like that. I'm
Ash.
saying you don't follow what I'm saying. This first letter is the second letter is sha.
Hmm.
Then how do you say this? And sha.
Ash. Ashto asi.
Okay, I will not do it anymore. You have to work on that. Ashakto, see.
Ashakto. Okay. Okay.
I keep saying and
Ashakto.
you are doing the same mistake. So
Ashak.
you have to work on this.
Yes.
More than that, what will I do? Nothing.
Aksh. Aksh. Ash. Ash. Ash.
No, you have to work on this. Okay. This is we are in the then moving forward. So I
Yes.
can go back and do again consonant how to ucharanam and all.
Ash.
Individual effort only. Purely individual effort. Okay, read the next one. I told already. Ashakto plus asi. You have
Asi.
to work on this.
Shashi. Sharirastho api. Shash. Sharira. Sharira. Sharirastho api. Sharirastho plus api. Sar. Sarge. Sar. Sarge api. Sarge plus api.
It is not sarge api. Sarge api. When you are splitting, you have to tell sarge plus api.
Sarge pi. So sarge plus api.
You have very poor attention span. You are not listening at all. First listening. You have to listen what I say, what the teacher says. You have to listen. You are not listening. Already you want to tell the answer. Then how learning will take place. For learning, even if you are a grown-up person, you have to come to the level of a student, a school student, a school kid. That one or two have that attitude. Otherwise, will not enter.
Yes.
Anyway, we have to work on this. This Ucharanam, no compromise. I don't compromise Ucharanam.
Yes, Guru.
Moving forward, if you don't know means you will be left out. Okay. I keep saying this from the very beginning. We are in almost 100th class, same thing I'm repeating. Anyway, next person.
Dehe.
It's all pure individual effort only.
Dehe. Asmi.
If you don't understand anything, that I can help. But if you don't know do this, then how will I help with this? This is not my area also. Yes.
Yes, Guru.
Difficult.
Sorry.
Yes, Lord. Dehesmin. Dehe plus asmin. Aprakasho pravrittihi. Aprakasho apravrittihi. Yatantopi. Yatanto api. Atosmi. Ato asmi. Ishvaroham. Ishvaro aham. Siddhoham. Siddho aham. Swatantre smin. Swatantre plus asmi.
That's it. The Purva Sandhi is done. So finally, this is summary. When Ak is followed by Savarnat, both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by Savarnadirgha. Savarnadirgha Sandhi. Simple. This is what we have seen so much time we have spent in each Sandhi. Must be thorough. We are not supposed to forget this. All the Sandhi rules. Ik is followed by Asavarna Aj. Then it will be replaced by the corresponding N letter. When Avarna is followed by Ik letter, Purva and Para will be replaced by corresponding Guna letter. When Avarna is followed by H letter, then Purva and Para will be replaced by Vriddhi letter, Vriddhi Sandhi. When H is followed by H, H will be replaced by Ayava Yava. Here only one optional rule we saw, but Yakara Lopaha optionally. Then when Padantayen, Purva Rupa Sandhi, followed by Rasvakara, Purva will be the replacement. Only 6 Sandhis we have seen. 6 plus 1, 7. That covers the entire, not entire, we can say almost Atsandhi. Atsandhi, almost everything is done. Other Atsandhis are there, but all based on this one. This is should be very clear. This chart helps you. Different, all the Sandhis are given. But anyway, this chart is, don't record. If you know Sandhi, if you remember the rules, then you can apply. If this chart means you need to have this chart all the time. This chart is just to show you it is there. That's all. You don't have to use this chart. See, is there in the rows. All the vowels are there in the rows and columns. So if you want to take this and plus plus will be dirgha.
Ah.
So plus would be plus e is guna will happen.
A.
Plus e is a.
A.
Plus u is o guna.
O.
Plus u is o.
O.
So taking and joining with the vowels which are in the this columns e. Plus r gunasandhi ar. Plus r gunasandhi ar. Plus l al. Plus a vriddhi sandhi.
I.
Plus I. Plus o plus o. Similarly for dirgha akara. Plus will be plus is equal to plus e will be a plus e will be a plus o will be o. So Savana Dirgha marked in this color, different colors, and
Yes.
Gunasandhi in different colors.
Yes.
Vriddhi Sandhi in another color. And Yen Sandhi you can see E plus the next one. Ikara of the third row joining with the vowels of all the columns. E plus will be yeah. Yen Sandhi. E plus will be ya. E plus E will be Dirgha Sandhi. Savana Dirgha. E plus E will be E. E plus U, Savana Dirgha. E plus U, Savana Dirgha. Sorry, Yen Sandhi, not Savana Dirgha.
Yan Sandhi.
E plus U is Yen Sandhi. E plus U is Yen Sandhi. All these are Yen Sandhi. Similarly, Ikara, Ukara. So this is a Sandhi chart. A plus, take just A plus Ayadi Sandhi.
Yes.
If A plus is, if it is a poor, it's a padam, then Pura Rupa Sandhi will apply. There you cannot apply Ayadi Sandhi. There you have to note. There you will not be replaced by I. So here Pura Rupa Sandhi is not mentioned. You have to note. This chart doesn't have Pura Rupa Sandhi. Pura Rupa Sandhi is an exception. So that is why it is not here. A plus is I plus Aya. Similarly, A plus will be Aya. A plus E will be I. So all this forms.
Yes.
This Sandhi is done. You can see the flow chart for all the Sandhis. If Ak is followed by Savarna, if it is yes, then apply Savarna Sandhi. No, if among the Ak letter, that is, if Avarna is followed by Asavarna, then you apply Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi.
If it is yes, that itself is no means. Just check if Avarna is followed by H letter, then apply Vriddhi Sandhi. This is the Vriddhi Sandhi here. Then in the first one itself, if Ak is followed by Savarna. If it is no, then you check whether it is it. If it is followed by Asavarna, then do Yen Sandhi. So that's in the form of a flow chart is given. And for H is, if H is followed by H, then Ayadi Sandhi. And among the H, if it is Yang followed by Pura Rupa Sandhi. Simple flow chart. Then this is your homework. You will do it now in the class. Each one of you can do. You do?
Yes.
Sandhi. Aso plus Ayam. So each one of you 5 can do. Let us start with Anupama.
Asau plus I am. So au plus a.
What Sandhi is that?
Ayavaya Sandhi.
Asavayam and Vakara. Optional rule also.
There, yakara lopaha also happen.
Here it is not yakara, vakara.
Vakara, yes. Vakara.
Asavayam is one form. Asavayam is another form. I given the answers also in the bracket. Actually, I did for somebody this class. So answers are there. Anyway, you can check the answers if you go wrong. Otherwise, just do HK plus Ana. Next one.
Che plus Ana, Chayana. Again,
here, why don't you apply here Pura Rupa Sandhi?
Because Che is
not a padam.
Not a padam.
Yes, that's why I don't apply. Yes, next one.
Pancha plus ete, panchaite. So a plus a, this is vriddhi sandhi.
Yes,
Dirgha plus eranda.
Dirgha.
Dirgha plus eranda, dirghairanda. Again, vriddhi sandhi, a plus a. Shashi plus udityaya. E plus u, shashi udityaya. Shashi udityaya.
Shashudita. What's in the
Is yan sandhi. Ikku followed.
next one? Continue. You can do it.
Siddhyatu plus eva. U plus a. Siddhyatyeva.
U plus A, Siddhyat Eva. Siddhyat Veva. What's in the
Again, yan sandhi. Chore plus ati. Choreti. So a followed by a. This one Purva Rupa we can apply.
yes?
Chore.
How do you know
Saptami.
it is Chori is a Padam? Because Saptami Bhakti Ekavacham Chora.
Of Chora sab. Pujarhau plus Arisudana. Au plus a. Pujarhavarisuddhana. So this is Ivasant, yeah. And the optional rule apply.
Why don't you apply Puru Pasandi?
It is
Chore
au.
is a padam.
It is how it is not A.
Au.
Therefore,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Jana plus ekata, a plus a, janaikata. So I coming vriddhi sandhi. Sukha plus aupayika. Sukhaupayika. A followed by au. So vriddhi sandhi.
Okay. Next person. Deepika.
जी बेटा. Adhama plus rinaha is adhamar rinaha.
What's in the
A plus re. That is not yana. Yes, it is yana something.
it is Yan Sandhi.
A plus
No, it is Guna.
It is Gunasandhi. A plus just now I summarized.
ha. Yes, yes, it
Brahma
is
plus
guna sandhi.
Rishihi, Brahma Rishihi. Answers are there. That is
Brahma.
why you are saying there. If answers are not there, then I think join would be mistake.
Yes, it is guna
I
sandhi.
should remove the answers. Adamar Naha Gunasandhi. With the answers, you should be able to say what Sandhi is. Okay. Next one.
Okay. Papa plus riddhihi. Papa riddhihi. Again, it will be guna sandhi.
Yes.
Tandula plus odanaha. Tandulaudanaha. A plus O. That is a vriddhi sandhi.
You tell me.
Yes, I think it is vriddhi sandhi. No?
Yes. Then don't say with doubts. Sure, for sure. Yes, Vriddhi.
Yes.
Yes.
Asya plus auchati. Auchiti. Asyauchiti. A plus O. Again, it is a vriddhi sandhi. Bhati plus ambare. Bhatyambare. E plus A. That is a.
Don't refer your notes every time. Okay. You have to refer your file in the head, not in the notebook.
E plus A is a. Dirgha sandhi. Dirgha sandhi.
E plus I is Dirgha Sandhi. Then you don't understand what Dirgha Sandhi
Ik, sorry, ik is yan sandhi.
N Sandhi. Why such confusion? Huh?
Ik is
Why you say
yan
Dirgha
sandhi,
Sandhi?
no?
Yeah.
Yan sandhi.
But you said Dirgha Sandhi. Why?
Yes.
And you have confusion with what Sandhi is that? Should not have confusion at this stage, okay? Having done
Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
so many examples, if you say Dirgha Sandhi, then what to do? Huh?
Yes, yes.
Dirgha Sandhi will happen only when both the letters are same.
But,
E
yes,
plus
same.
E, U
Then,
plus U, A plus A, etc. E plus
yes,
A, that
yes,
is same.
yes.
How do you say Dirgha Sandhi? Then what is Dirgha Sandhi should be understood clearly. I mean,
No,
when you give
Guruji.
the wrong answer, I doubt the original understanding.
No, Guruji.
Okay, continue.
Yes. Okay. Adhama plus.
No, Dhatu plus Adesha. You know, where we are, you know, we are reading here. Dhatu plus Adesha. That is the one we are doing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Read that.
Dhatu plus Adesha. That is Dhatva Desha. U plus A.
What Sandhi is that? Savana Dirgha.
So, no. It is not Dirgha.
Then Guna Sandhi.
No, I'm just confused, Guruji, really.
Okay. You work on this and come.
Yes, I will just do that, Guruji.
Don't work on this, then I will not teach Sandhi. I'll stop Sandhi here itself.
No, Guruji, I will do it definitely.
Okay, Paruji, for you, the last chance. Okay. This exercise, you have to do it. All of you. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
Guruji.
Paruji, you tried
Yes.
what is from here? Read.
U Dhatu plus Adesha, U plus A. So that would be U plus A. Yon Sandhi,
Yes.
Dhyatva Desha.
Continue.
Patru plus Etat. Ru plus A. So that is pat patru tat patrut chayam. That is a wrong thing.
What is the one? Tell me. That's the problem. I should not give the answer, but anyway, answer is. Now here you've got Patra plus Etat. What Sandhi is that?
Ru plus A.
Hmm.
So Ru plus A, that would be Yon Sandhi only.
Yan Sandhi only. That's correct. Tell me the form then. What is the final one? Ru plus A.
Sapatrut tat.
Huh?
Ru will be replaced by Ra.
Yes, that's correct.
Ru will be replaced by Ra. So patrut tat.
Patru tat. What will A will do? A will be swallowed, right?
No. You have to put the A.
Then tell me the A.
So it would be.
You're doing simple addition, no calculations here. Simple addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You have to think for what will come. That is what you are doing here. Utara is replaced by Repa. That's correct. Then Sandhi. Appreciate.
Yeah.
Then Repa plus A. What will be there? Repa plus A.
Refa. Patrut etat.
Huh? Repa plus A. What is Repa plus A?
3. Tra.
Tra.
So that Jayana.
Is it Tra?
No.
You know Kaka Kiki?
Yeah. Kaka kiki kuku.
Then Repa, that you say? For Repa you say?
Refa plus.
See, Kaka Kiki, you know, right? Somebody
Yes.
for Repa you say. Raga Riri.
Ra ri ru re. Ro ro ram.
That is what here it is there. What is the letter? Repa plus A.
Refa plus A.
Is equal to what? Huh?
A. Refa plus A is A, no?
Repa
Re,
plus
re,
Re, not
re,
Ye.
re,
And that
re,
is what it here it is. Path and the Repa plus Ye is Re. Therefore,
Reta.
therefore
Refa
what?
plus Patrut. Patrut plus Etat. Ru plus A is Ru will be
What
replaced
is
by
that,
Re.
Deepika ji?
Atritat.
Path.
Patrut.
You're struggling
Patrut.
so much for this, Varuji.
Patrut.
I
Yes,
think
yes.
this class, this advanced Sandhi and all is completely ruled out, not possible. We are not able to tell these parents. Sandhi topic is closed here. Advanced Sandhi, it's not possible. Otherwise, Varuji will be simply watching when I tell. He will not understand anything.
No, sir.
Simple addition this is. We're struggling for addition.
Patrut. Yes. Now
Not
I'm
Patrutat, Patretat. Don't say Patrutat.
Patrit.
Following letter is here. How can you say Patrutat?
Patrit.
Simple mathematics, not even mathematics. This is arithmetic. Repa plus A. I'm asking. Repa plus A is Re. How can you say that? What thinking is there? Here no thinking is required.
Refa plus.
And you don't also think also.
I
Simple,
got a little bit confused.
What is the confusion? Come on, don't say confusion.
No,
If it's something
not
to confuse, it's okay. Here, no confusion. No
No
scope for confusion and getting confused means, then that is really confusing me. If there is something confusing, Sandhi confusing, okay, I understand. Which Sandhi will apply, that is confusing, I understand. When it comes to arithmetic, that is confusing. It's what is confusion there? No clarity. Saṃskṛtam is only for who have got clarity, who have clean head, not confuse people. And how these teacher also will help with it. Simple. I expect after having taught this, I expect you to answer. I feel happy when you say answer. When you don't say answer, then what is that I'm doing? I also think.
No, sir.
And the problem with you is I have to deal with you every time the basics. I don't want to go to the basics anymore. Basics and all taught. You have to work on this. If you don't work, means it's your problem. I will move forward. I keep saying it. Okay, next one. Ru plus Anga. Anybody can do. Okay.
Ru plus Ru
What
plus
will apply here? Yeah.
Ru plus
Lu plus
Anybody can do. Yes.
Yan Sandhi.
N Sandhi. Look. Okay. What is the Adesha now?
Same. La is Lakara replaced by La.
Lu is replaced by
Replaced by
Akara.
La.
Lakara. So therefore you have Langa.
Lung.
That is why Langa is there. Lu is replaced by Lakara. Lakara plus A is Langa. It's a good example. Rama plus Outsukya.
Plus this is
What Sandhi is that?
Rama.
Vidhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi.
Okay. This all these are your homework. Don't see the answers. I can't remember the answers. This file is with you, right? From here onwards.
Yes.
Please see this.
Darshana. So we will write in the bracket with Sandhi so we can come to know properly.
Actually, the answer should not be there, but I don't want to remove the answer. This is it the file with you? I will send this file to you.
No, sir, we don't have.
No, Guruji.
Very good. Then not required. And I will send you this without the answers. I'll remove the answers and send you. You work on them. Only when you say these answers correctly, the next Sandhi. Otherwise, next Sandhi is not there for this class. Ruled out. I will not teach you Visarga Sandhi and impossible. If this is not understood, then Visarga Sandhi, you will not understand anything.
Yes.
Anupamaji, you have studied Visarga Sandhi, right?
Yes, Guruji. Very difficult.
Very difficult. Impossible. I have to talk about Ru and all those things. It's out. Plain bold. I will not teach you at all. If this is not understood, that is out of question. I will be wasting my time. I will be spending my energy. That in the morning. That cannot be done.
No, we'll do it.
Students have to be worth for the doing. If I don't feel worth, really I'm opening, then I will not do it. There's no point actually. I'm wasting my time. Then I feel. Don't make me feel. You have to make me worth for doing this, then I will do. Otherwise, no, I will not do it.
No, no. Definitely. we will do
This
it.
Visarga Sandhi is, I won't say difficult. For you, it will be difficult. If this is difficult, that is too difficult.
Yes.
I won't say Visarga Sandhi is difficult. I have taught many people Visarga Sandhi. I have made them create interested the people to learn Visarga Sandhi, to learn Sandhi, to learn Saṃskṛtam. But in spite of that, my effort, if I have not created in you, it means I can tell with confidence it is not my mistake. There is no problem with me.
Yes.
Sometimes I think that oh, it's a my mistake. It's not my mistake. You are not working with it's your problem. That
Yes.
shows your commitment. That's simple.
Yes.
Not. So my teaching further it depends on you only. So I leave it to you. You decide. I don't have any
No, no.
issue.
Definitely we will do it next time.
So, and Anupamaji, I studied the Sandhi. How much time I have spent in the other class? Otherwise, you should watch the other class if you are interested. This class I'm not doing. This class I will do only the language. That itself is a good thing. If you know language, I would say that that itself is okay. Fine. It's good only. Grammar part is out. Anyway,
In the other batch, you have taken that class very elaborately.
very
I
elaborately.
watched.
Every
Yeah,
class
very
I do.
elaborate.
Every class I do that
Mm.
only. Which class I
Mm.
didn't do elaborate. That every class when I teach the
Yes.
students, I teach elaborately.
Yes,
But
I
this
taught.
class, how much time I spent on Sandhi, you see?
Yes, yes.
All the
Yes.
examples I worked out, the class itself
Yeah.
making you work.
Guruji, I was telling about the Visarga Sandhi. So that's how I could learn it. It was very, very detailed. So it was very
Yes.
good to watch
Some
and learn.
clear basics and sequence of application, all those things I dealt elaborately. In Saṃskṛta Bharati, even if you study that, little difficult. The situation will come where you will find what something to apply. That confusion may come.
Mhm.
Yes.
Not Saṃskṛta Bharati is confusing. Okay, Saṃskṛta Bharati doesn't deal with sutras and all. They don't teach that. Because that is not required for the students, for the beginners.
Hmm.
But I taught you Tripadi, something, all those things are so that you will not do mistakes. You will understand Sandhi topics very clearly. That's why I taught in the Sandhi class all those things. Starting from the Janma of the, how these Visarga is born. So technical things, many technical things I taught. From there I started and taught everything. Okay, anyway, this class, I'm not sure. It all depends on you. Very
No,
interesting.
no, sir, we will work it out.
Sorry. Guruji.
Sorry.
See, Paroji, if you don't work on reading, simple math, I think you have to go and do kaka kiki, you write it. First you write it and say it loudly, practice it. Kakara plus a, ka, then ka, not ka, ka. Kakara plus a, ka, rasva,
Ah.
dirgha, ki, and reading it also. Go back to the basics. I'm sending our classes. I don't know whether you're seeing or not. All these the classes which I taught in the Gurukulam for the basics. I make the students read. They have to read. If they don't read in the class, in the video itself, you would have seen. I would have yelled them. In spite of my, if they don't help, I would have scolded them also openly. That also in the video. I didn't delete, I didn't edit. Everything as it is there, I uploaded. Seeing that people that are afraid of attending the class, it is their problem, not my problem. Because having taught them, I made them read, I helped them. If they don't read, if they confused, then openly I have told them also in the class. If they are not responding, I scolded them also openly. Everything is recorded. Scolded them means to make them read, not just simply scolding. It's not like how I tell you the class. The same thing. What else I will do? You tell me. This is teaching to a kid. The kid doesn't say properly. You scold. That's the same thing. Help the students to read. They don't read it wrongly. In spite of teaching so many times, then you have to tell them. Samadhana there, then that only. Of course, that we will not take it. Yeah, intention you have to say. Intention is to make the students learn to read. That's simple. That's it. That's what it is. You read. Therefore, you go and see the videos. Go once again. You go to the basics. Make the basics strong. Ucharanam strong. Okay. Have to work on this. Then only the further we will do. Otherwise, further classes will be of no use. Akanksha ji is doing well. She's sending a homework. Even though she's not attending the class. And Kumar ji is also. They are sending the homework. What about you, Baruji? You didn't send the homework. I think
I sent the homework, sir. I have sent the homework.
Really, where? It is, I don't see the group.
Yeah, of course. The first one only I did all the
The last class that
homework.
no, it is not. Is it
I
there?
have, yes, sir. I have sent it.
Oh yes, sorry, you sent it.
Yeah, first on Tuesday only I did it this thing, and then I sent it.
When you write the homework, do you say it and write?
Yes,
Aham
now
Vidyalayam Gacchami, like that.
okay,
Yeah,
sir. Then I will practice like that way.
no, you have to see. You have to become a kid when you do. Like a kid, you write. They say it and write. You have to say it and write. Because
Okay,
you
sir.
have Ucharana problem, therefore you
Yes.
have to do like that. Practice like that.
Yes, Guruji, I will do that.
Gacchami. Then
Gacchami.
Agam Vidyalayam Gacchami. Say it. See, then when is spoken, part will come. Otherwise, how it will come?
Yes, Guruji. Gacchataha gachanti.
Oh yes, you have sent the homework. It's your handwriting is good also. This exercise I gave it as homework for you. That 70. Is it I gave it as homework? Please see the screen.
Yeah, but you have not given this homework, sir.
No, but now how come that all you have done this as homework? Did I give
No,
this homework?
No,
That
no.
picture one.
Sorry, 1 minute. I'll show you that. This is the one. You see my screen now?
No, we
Yes.
have not done
Yes.
this.
we have not done this. Balak.
We have done only up to
No, this is 1 year.
78 abhyas. 78 abhyas we have done, not
70.
79. No, only this we have done.
But all of you have done the homework of this one, number 80.
That picture one is the one which I think it is almost the
Yes.
same. Looks like
Which one?
No, the
picture
page
exercise.
150 from 150 page.
Oh, which is
This
This we have done in
this
the
one.
homework.
we have done.
oh
This
this
is-
one.
this
Mm.
this is one you have done, all of you.
Yes,
Yes.
all the three forms we have to do, no? That.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you had done the 79. Oh, this is the one. All the vibhaktis and all the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. It's okay, understand. So we have done that one. Next, we have to do here, right? Balika.
Yes.
This also we have done.
The class have we done this?
Yes. Not in
Yes.
class. You are given this as a homework.
Yes.
The
Yes.
homework.
This one we did.
Training
We did
also.
this.
Yeah, okay.
Which-
Then 78 we have to do, right? Have we
Yes.
done 78? No.
78 also we have done. 70 from 79 we have to do.
Okay, let us do it and then we'll stop another 10 minutes. Oh, Srilinga. Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Ditya Vibhakti. So he's still. I sent you one website ID. I don't know whether you saw that. Those who have difficulty in for memorizing the Shabda, not compromising on that. You have to memorize the Shabda. But forming a Shabda, you can take the help of that website, what I sent, Sanskrit.seagull.net. There is giving the Vibhakti and adding. Did you check? Anybody check? Anupamaji, you
Yeah,
checked.
I checked it, but
Then what is that? Did you find it useful? No. Is it
he
difficult?
says that- No, it's not
No,
difficult.
no.
No, it's
See,
not difficult.
it says transliteration is that it's okay. No, I'll just take one. See my screen. Do you see my screen?
Hmm.
Here you see. If it is A means Akaranta.
Hmm.
If it is Akaranta Shabda, Aha, au, aha. It means Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
Oh, okay.
Vocative is Sambodhana. Leave it. Sambodhana is 8 1. Then accusative, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Au, an. Ramam, Ramo,
Acha,
Rama.
Rama.
Then
Ramen.
Yena Abhyam Aihi. Rama plus Yena, Ramena.
Ramena.
Ramen.
Ram, not Rama. Not Rama plus N. Ram plus Yena you take. See, this aha, au, aha is a, you take the Shabda to be Ram.
Rama. Yes.
Ram.
Not 1 minute. Good for you see, just type it here. You have to assume the Shabda to be like this. Rama is a Shabda, right? What Shabda? Ending with the letter?
Akara.
Akara. Any doubt in that? Akara.
No.
Akarantaha pullingaha. So Ram plus A, right? Because of this only it is Akaranta.
Yes.
Shabdasya antyavarnaha Akaraha, right?
Yes.
So therefore Akarantaha. So this A only keeps on changing for different vibhakti, different vachanam. So
Yes.
Ram, take Ram, then add this, you get a form. Ram plus Aha, Ramaha. Ram plus Au, Ramo.
Ramo.
Ram plus Aha, Ramaha. Ram plus Ramam.
Ramam.
Ram plus Au, Ramo.
Ramo.
Ram plus An, Raman. Ram plus Ena, Ramena. Ram plus Abhyam, just all these are melanam, joining. No sandhi. Ram plus Abhyam, Ramabhyam. Ram plus Aihi, Ramaihi.
Ramaihi.
Ram plus Aya, Ramaya. That's how easy it is given. For Napumsakalinga, it is given. Similarly, it is given so many examples. Ashvaha, Danam, Ramaha, and all you can take. Dirgham, Napumsakalinga. Hridayam, Napumsakalinga. Now, Srilinga is given. You take Rama Shabda. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Rama Shabdaha.
Rama Shabdaha.
Rama is Ram plus
Akara.
It is Ram plus A. You change the A for different vibhakti. So Ram, you take it, add this
Rama.
the pratyas. Ram plus A, Rama. Ram plus A, Rame. Ram plus Aha, Ramaha. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Ram plus Am. Ram plus Am, Rama.
Ramam.
Ram plus A, Rame.
Rame.
Ram plus Aha, Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Ram plus Aya,
Ramaya.
Ram plus Abhyam,
Ramabhyam.
Ram plus Abhihi.
Ramabihi.
It's helping you by giving the fully formed vibhakti, the pratyas. Take the pratipadikam, the last vowel, that you remove it, whatever is left out, that keep it, and you add this, you get a form. Similarly for any shabda, ikaranta, ukaranta, everything is given. You see, ikaranta shabda, arihi, ari, arayaha, ari, you take. Har plus e, ihi, arihi. Har plus e, ari. Har plus ayaha, arayaha. Har plus im, harim. Har plus e, hari. Har plus een, harin. So you can do like that. That's why I sent this website. I thought it's useful for you. Any shabda you can take, you can do like this. And give a lot of examples also. Practice this. Those who have got this, they say difficult to know the form, then we can take the help of this website. And you have to remember this. Anyway, you have to remember. Either you have to remember this, otherwise you can have this separately when shabda is given, and all this mental calculation you have to do. Here it is at least only joining. This is no sandhi. Once you know the word without the last letter, like Hari becomes Har, Rama becomes Ram, Rama becomes Ram. Then after that, you add this Vibhakti, then you get the forms.
Hmm.
That requires also some practice, but you need to have this with you.
Yes.
If you have difficulty in
Yes.
memorizing, you have to do it. But I will recommend you to memorize. There's no choice. Okay. Once you have desire to learn, then you have to memorize. Till then, at least this will be useful. You just go and see the website. Not only here, this part. You can go to the next after this shabda. I and you. Ikarantaha shabda. Ukaranta shabda. Ukaranta, ukara, shilinga. Everything is sakaranta shabda. Also, it is a sakaranta, sakaranta. Just go and see this website. Did you check it? Deepika ji?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Go through each one and just see, practice the shabda.
Yes.
This doesn't require teacher, you can do it. Okay, anyway, we'll see this. Something in the next class, because time not there. Next class is there. Guruji, again I tell you, you have to work.
Yes, Guruji, definitely.
Whether it is helpful for you, it's helpful for the class to go forward.
Yes, Guruji.
You have to contribute for the class in the form of learning. Okay.
Yes,
The
Guruji.
form of making you available, ready for the classes.
For the
Okay,
class.
we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Send you the exercise. You have to work on this.
Yes, Guruji.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.